Hello and welcome to How to Webmaster. Today let's check out the website Freebies by People. They offer an excellent selection of free graphics and templates that can help you create beautiful and professional looking documents, web pages, and other projects. The site is easy to use and the graphics and templates are high quality. You can find beautiful graphics and designs, HTML templates, 3D models, WordPress themes, and free apps and tools. I'll leave a link below for you guys to check this site out. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more useful tips, tricks, and tutorials.